This Imex 1/32nd Confederate 10 pounds cannon was one of the very first kits I ever built, around 2009. At that time, I was a complete beginner in the world of scale modeling. No real techniques, no experience, just curiosity and enthusiasm to build. I assembled it straight out of the box without any preparation. I painted the cannon using acrylic paints, while the figures were done with enamel. Back then, I didn't know about using primer, and over time, you can see how the paint started to peel in certain areas. I also wasn't aware that mold seam lines should be removed, or that proper surface preparation is important before painting. Looking at it now, those early mistakes are quite visible. The casting quality itself was acceptable, but it lacked finer details, especially on the figures, which were quite primitive in their sculpting. Still, this piece represents a starting point, a reminder of where the journey began. It's always good to look back and see how much improvement has happened over the years. The base you see here was actually part of a school project my son was working on, and I borrowed it for these photos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next upload.